Hello everyone, my name is Joe George, the digital innovator and founder of Cubitize. And what I'm going to show you in this video is how to whitelist our email addresses coming from news@news.cubitize.com and support@support.cubitize.com using Gmail. Before we get started, it's important to note that I'm actually logged into Gmail from my PC, not my mobile device. If you happen to use your Gmail app from a mobile device, don't worry. I'm going to go ahead and cover those instructions later. They are a little bit different compared to the PC version, but regardless of that, I'm going to cover those instructions later, so please don't worry. Now, as you can see from my screen, there's an email from cubitize.com. In order for you to first whitelist this email, you need to just hover your mouse over the sender name, and you'll see that it's actually coming from the news domain name. This is the domain name we use to send out our newsletters to our subscribers. So if you want to know more information about new products, deals, promotions, bonuses, tips and hacks, and other useful information, it's all going to be coming from this email address. Okay. The other email address that we use is support@support.cubitize.com. That email address is mainly used for support inquiries. If you have questions about your account, if for some odd reason your chatbot is not displaying on your website, if you want to make any configuration changes to your chatbot, that's the email that you use. Okay. Now, this video shows how I'm going to be actually whitelisting the newsletter email address. And all you really need to do is just click on the Add to Contacts button, and that's going to automatically add this email address into your Gmail address book or into your contacts book in Gmail. Okay. In order for you to access this email, if you want to make any changes to it, if you want to add more notes or anything to that matter, all you need to do is just click on the Edit Contact button, and it's going to take you to contacts.google.com page where you can go ahead and add some more information about this email address. You don't need to do this to whitelist the email. I've already whitelisted the email, right? By just clicking on the Add to Contacts button. So that's all you really need to do to whitelist the email. Now you're probably wondering, well, Joe, how can I go ahead and whitelist the support email? Well, that's really simple. If for whatever reason you don't have a copy of that email in your inbox or in your spam folder, and you're obviously not going to have the option of hovering over the sender name and clicking on the Add to Contacts button to automatically whitelist that email, no worries. I'm going to show you how you can do it manually instead. So in order for you to whitelist the support@support.cubitize.com email, all you need to do is make sure you're in your the contacts section of Gmail. So in order for you to get to this page, all you need to do is just go to like contacts.google.com, and you should get to this page. Now, once you're on this page, you need to click on the Create Contact button, and we want to click the first option. And what you need to do here is enter that email, support@support.cubitize.com, and click Save. And this email will now be whitelisted going forward, so you shouldn't have any problems with our emails not being delivered into your inbox. So that's how you go ahead and whitelist our emails using either the Add to Contacts method or using the manual method. Also, please make sure you watch my video on how to tell Google to move or deliver all of our emails into your primary tab and not the promotions tab. This video is vital for you to watch if you don't want to miss out on any of our important emails. So in order for you to do this, you need to set up a filter in Gmail and tell Gmail to place all of our emails into your primary tab and not the promotions tab. Lastly, if you're using the Gmail app on a mobile device, we actually have 2 video tutorials on how you can whitelist our emails and move emails from the promotions tab and into the primary inbox tab specifically for mobile users. So please make sure you watch those videos. Thanks for watching this video, and wherever you are in this world, may you have a blessed and fruitful day.